First thing is primer. Primers help in reducing any redness caused by inflammation. Depending on the ingredients present, it can also smooth your skin. Second thing is foundation. It creates an even skin tone. It is the most buildable makeup products. It makes you feel more comfortable in your skin. It's a great way to naturally put a filter on your photos. Here is my foundation collection. अगर हम अफोर्डेबल फाउंडेशंस की बात करें तो ये मेबलिन इज़ वेरी बेस्ट एंड फिट मी. Next thing is concealer. It helps in hiding the fine lines. It helps the dark circles disappear. It helps in highlighting the cheekbones. It helps in hiding the blemishes. सबसे बेस्ट कंसीलर मेबलिन का है. ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग है जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. Here is mine also concealer collection. Next thing is face powder. Face powder is mostly used to set makeup in place or to mattify oily complexions. Dust, blend, and buff powder over the oily areas to help banish shine and stop your makeup from melting away. Next thing is blusher. Blush can help to brighten up your face, add a healthy glow, and contour your features. Next thing is mascara. Mascara instantly adds thickness, length, and a darker glow to the lashes, which draws attention to the eyes and creates definition. Last thing is lipstick. Lipstick provides hydration and defines your lips.